Electronics and Communication Engineering. So this video is to review the content provided by the GATE Academy. There are 10 subjects in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and you will get each booklet for every subject. And like this is a booklet for Signal and System. It will consist chapter wise. First of all, you will get the description of the video lecture information at the first page, and after this you will get the numericals. Actually, these are the unsolved numericals in three form. The first is objective and numerical type, and the solution for these objective questions and numerical type will be provided by the videos you will get in these pen drives. You will get 4 pen drives like this, and there are all 10 subjects in these pen drives, and you need to put these pen drives on your phone, and you can access the pen drives by using the app provided by the GATE Academy. And the other type of questions you will get is the practice question, and these questions you have to solve by yourself, and the solution of these questions will be provided at the PDF form. And similarly, there are all the subjects having each booklet like this, and after this you will get the 2 previous year books. Like this is the volume 2 for electronics and communication, and in this volume 2 you will get a subject like EDC, analog electronics, EMT, communication system, and aptitude. So I'll show the index. So here is the every subject of the volume 2, and in this book you will get the previous year questions with their solutions in a very descriptive and explanatory method and ways. And similarly you will get the volume 1. This volume 1 consists of network theory, signal system, digital electronics, control system, and math in the same format as you will get the 4 pen drives, and this is a pen drive for 64 GB, 128 GB, and similarly 128 and 64 GB, and you will get the subjects in all the 4 pen drives. You just need, and you will get this app from the GATE Academy. You just need to put this pen drive on your mobile phone by using an OTG cable, and after that you will get you will get folder for each subject, and you need to upload every folder, actually the required folder or the video you want to see. You want to upload the video from pen drive to phone, and after launching this app you can get the access to the video. I'll show a demo of the audio and video quality. So this is a lecture number 74 in the operational amplifier. Just a second, it will take some time. Yeah, so this is a video quality you will get, and if you need to make it slant, then so this is the audio and video quality you will get. And there is no 10-second forward or the 10-second backward mode like YouTube. So there is a button in the player. You need to touch that button for the 10-second backward.